When you're working on a document with somebody, you can switch from editing to suggesting. And suggesting is a really good way of making some changes. So I'm going to edit this text here, and I'm going to put in here, I'm going to delete this, and okay, I made a spelling mistake. And I'm going to, that's all I've done. I've made my suggestions here, and you can see it's suggesting that I'm going to delete the word highlighted or scored through in green, and it's suggesting that this is my suggestion, and we can either accept or decline that, and if we decline that, the change will be deleted. There we go, back to normal. So working with suggesting is a really good way of co-constructing work with a colleague.